Imagine an AI that can truly understand sound. Not just words, but music, conversations, even ambient noise. Nvidia just released one, and it's fully open source. Meanwhile, Mistral clapped back with two powerful audio models that outperform top names, both in speed and cost. Over at Boston University, researchers trained a medical AI on thousands of hours of science podcasts. The result? An AI that explains health like a doctor, not like a textbook. Google just launched a multilingual embedding model with insane token handling. Amazon introduced Kiro, an AI coding assistant that turns plain English prompts into full production-ready code. And Anthropic's Claude can now perform live financial analysis with real-time data from platforms like PitchBook and Snowflake. In Korea, NCAI unveiled a new vision language model that outperforms everything they've built before. Even Zurich, Malaysia is tapping in with a smart assistant for insurance agents. And here's the big surprise. Mira Murati, OpenAI's former CTO, just raised $2 billion to launch a brand new kind of AI company. Product dropping soon. Let's break it all down. First up, Nvidia's Audio Flamingo 3. This isn't just another speech-to-text tool, it's a full-blown auditory intelligence engine. It processes not just voice, but music and background noise too, using a new encoder called AF Whisper, derived from Whisper v3. It funnels all audio types into a unified 1,280-dimensional space, solving the old problem of juggling multiple systems for different audio tasks. The result? Cleaner, more accurate outputs. It handles up to 10 minutes of audio in one go. It can follow multi-person conversations and even respond with voice thanks to real-time TTS. But the real star feature is reasoning. Audio Flamingo was trained on 250,000 thinking examples. It doesn't just respond, it explains its reasoning step by step. It crushed Gemini 2.5 Pro in long audio reasoning tests, dropped Libri speech error rates to just 1.57%, and responds in under 6 seconds, 9 seconds faster than some rivals. And yes, it's 100% open source. Nvidia released everything, weights, training code, and 4 monster datasets, including Audio Skills XL. It's a complete plug-and-play toolkit for anyone building audio smart apps. But Nvidia's not alone in the audio game. French startup Mistral just launched Voxtral, its first open-source audio model family. 2 versions dropped, Voxtral Mini for leaner apps, and Voxtral Small for premium builds. Both support 32,000 token contexts and handle spoken prompts in multiple languages, including English, Hindi, and German. The models directly convert those prompts into back-end API calls. The cost? Just 1/10 of a cent per audio minute. Far cheaper than Whisper v3. And performance? Mini matches Gemini 2.5 Flash in word error rate. Small goes even further, cutting errors while charging just slightly more. Ideal for businesses working across multiple markets. With strong multilingual support and a dev-friendly license, Mistral may have just nailed the balance between open innovation and enterprise performance. Meanwhile, at Boston University, things got clever. Researchers trained a new AI, PodGPT, using 3,700 hours of science and medical podcasts. That's right, real conversations, not just textbooks and research papers. Why does that matter? Because PodGPT sounds like a real human when answering health questions, without sacrificing accuracy. In early tests, it outperformed models trained purely on text, even in fields like medicine, biology, and math. It can even switch languages mid-response without missing a beat. The team plans to extend it to video lectures next, training AI the way humans actually learn. And speaking of language, Google's on fire. Their new Gemini Embedding 001 model supports over 100 languages and processes up to 48K tokens per request. It outputs 372-dimension vectors by default, but thanks to Matroska-style learning, devs can compress them to 1536 or even 768 dimensions with barely any quality loss. It topped major multilingual benchmarks, beating Google's own older models and surpassing Cohere v3 by 9 points. Pricing, still just 15 cents per million tokens, with a generous free tier. Even better, multimodal embeddings, including images and code, are on the way. Expect some serious RAG upgrades across the AI ecosystem. Next, Amazon just dropped an AI coding beast. Meet Kiro, an IDE assistant that turns basic English into complete production-grade code. It doesn't just suggest snippets, it builds specs, diagrams, databases, APIs, and even test cases. It breaks tasks into logical sequences, and every save triggers agent hooks, background AI tasks that generate docs, optimize code, and clean up deleted files. There's a built-in chat panel for debugging, too. In transparency, everything it does is visible and reversible. It supports all major languages and is now in free public preview with enterprise features like security and automation on the way. Now over to Anthropic and their money move. Claude isn't just writing summaries anymore. It's analyzing live financial data. They've bundled Claude 4, Claude Code, and Claude Enterprise into a powerful analyst tool. It's plugged into Box, Snowflake, S&P, Databricks, and PitchBook, so it can pull live numbers on demand. Ask it to compare ETFs or analyze market trends across 6 quarters. It does it in real time, not from outdated CSVs. It's available now via AWS Marketplace, with Google Cloud support coming soon. In Korea, the multimodal race just leveled up. NCAI, the R&D division of gaming giant NC Soft, released 4 vision language models under Varco 2.0. Their largest has 14 billion parameters, plus 2 1.7B versions, one focused on OCR and another on video embedding. These models understand charts, tables, multiple images, and support Korean and English. They beat major models like Intern VL, Ovis US, and Quen 2.5 in benchmark tests. NCAI's CEO says it gives Korean industries, from fashion to media, a homegrown edge in AI development. And finally, Mira Murati, former CTO of OpenAI, is back with a bold new mission. After leading OpenAI through its stormy 2023 shakeup, she quietly stepped away and founded Thinking Machines Lab. Now she's raised $2 billion from elite investors: Andreessen Horowitz, Nvidia, AMD, Cisco, Jane Street, and more. The vision: a next-gen multimodal AI that understands language and vision the way humans do, through conversation and sight. The first product drops in a few months, and yes, there will be an open-source version for researchers and startups. Her goal? To make AI feel like a natural human extension, not a walled garden controlled by big tech. With this kind of funding and ambition, Murati might just rewrite the future of AI again. So what do you think? Will Mira's new company shake things up, or is it all just noise? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next video.